Hey, this is Mark Bishop and I'd like to welcome you to this review video for SociVids. Now this is a great piece of software which I've been lucky enough to get access to, and I just want to run through it with you and show you how it works, how easy it is, and how you can benefit from it. Now I know there's an awful lot of different softwares that come onto the market all the time, and just like you, I mean, it does get a little bit tedious sometimes, but this is something that really is a product you can use and make money out of almost straight away. Okay, so basically you can take your own videos, or you can take anybody else's videos, and you can turn them into to lead generating videos for your own business. You can make money straight off of them. Basically what you can do is take a video and then you can overlay PayPal buttons, JVZoo buttons, autoresponder, opt-in buttons, anything you like really. So I'm just going to run through it now and quickly show you how easy this software is to use. So we begin by starting with a new video. So it's all very user friendly, as you can see. If you come into my account here and then click here, should also mention there's a bunch of tutorials in there, but I'm just going to show you this because it is very, very easy to use. So we're going to start here, so new video, and then here where it says video name. Now this is just for your own reference, nobody else sees this, so you can call that whatever you want to call that. So I'm just going to call this test number 1. Okay, so test number 1, and the video code. The video code is the YouTube video code, or at least part of it, and I'll show you that in just a second. Now apparently this SociVids only works with YouTube. Obviously that's not an issue because YouTube is the biggest video sharing site on the internet, so no issue there. So I'm just going to pop over and get one of mine. So I actually have my own product coming out soon. This is a demo video here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this one for the demonstration. So the piece of code that you need, if you click on the video that you want to use inside YouTube, and then don't worry about the sharing features down here. The bit that you're actually interested in is up here. Okay, so in the address bar up here, you can see here, so you've got HTTPS, and then you've got the youtube.com, and then watch. Now the little bit that you need, look out for the V and the equals. Okay, so when you see that, it's this piece here just after the equals. That's the piece of code that you need. So I copy that, and then I just paste that into there and load the video. Now you can see that it's loading up my YouTube video there. Okay, so this is my demo, and this is the one that I'm going to use. And you can see the buttons above the top. I'll explain those in just a second. Now the custom preview is if you wanted to use an actual graphic in place of what YouTube pulls up. So the graphic can be anything. I think it should be I'd have to check on the actual sizes, but you know, a thumbnail. So it's going to be a thumbnail for. It's going to be a thumbnail for your video. Now you don't have to use this. I'm going to pull one up, and we're going to throw it in there. So I paste the URL in there. And then if I hit test, let me just pull this screen up here. Okay, it says we will attempt to open your custom graphic URL in another browser. So if I click here, I should be able to see the graphic that I've just put in here, or the URL for the graphic that I've just put in here. If it works, then it should pop up on another screen. So let's give that a go now. And then if I just pull it over, you can see that that will be the graphic that replaces this. Okay, so that will be the thumbnail graphic which pops up for your video. where it says video caption, I'm just going to put a SociVids-demo in there, and that should show like so. And then the lower text, I've just put demo video for SociVids Add Innovation WordPress plugin. So this should show up underneath the video once it's embedded. Now again, these three aspects are optional. You don't have to use those, but I'm just going to try them out. This is actually the first time I've used this, so it will be interesting to see exactly how this works. So once you've done that, you can add lower third. Let me just click that. So you can see here that you can add graphics. Okay, and obviously you can redirect to a landing page, a sales page, anything you want really. So I mean, you could use this perfectly for any kind of affiliate offer, for example, or launch jacking, anything like that. You can use it on Facebook, you can use it on your own WordPress site, anywhere that you can embed code, then you can use one of these videos and it's going to work with whichever overlay you use. So what I'm going to do is, let's see, I think I'll probably go for, I mean, this isn't actually for sale yet, but I'm just going to run through and show you anyway. So you can add an opt-in form. Let's pull that up there. So you can have sign up text on there. You can have a download, a sign up button, one of these buttons, and it integrates with Aweber, MailChimp, and GetResponse. Now, according to Brett, you can also use this with self-hosted or any other autoresponder. There's a little bit more to it, but most people tend to use either Aweber, MailChimp, or GetResponse. So, all good. So I'm probably going to use a sign-up form because, as I say, this isn't actually on sale yet. PayPal, let's have a look at that. You can just put your PayPal button right at the top there. Okay, and you can choose where it goes, so center of the video, or top left, top right, or below the video. And JVZoo button. So you would just put your JVZoo code in there. So if you were targeting somebody's launch and you wanted to put your video on your site or on Facebook, then this would be the perfect software to do that. Okay, so I'm half set up setting up the opt-in form. So here I've put early notification, which is going to be the reason why people are going to opt into this one, and I've turned the status on. I've chosen one of the stock images. You can also upload your own, but just for demonstration purposes I'm going to leave that as is. I'll set up a list specifically for this. So rather than install code, which you do on an awful lot of other softwares, you have to actually put the list ID in here. Now I'm just going to take you over to Aweber now and show you exactly where that is. Okay, so in Aweber you can see that if you go into basic information, I've called this one SociVids early, and the unique list ID is this one here. So you'll see that just under the name of your list. Okay, so we're going to pop that in there like so, and then save. Enter start time. Now this is when you would like the opt-in button to pop up on your video. So let's take a look at that. So if we start this here. The idea behind SociVids is, okay, so if you look here in the preview window, you can see this is a 3-minute 47-second video, and I'm gonna have the actual button for the opt-in pop in at 1 minute and 12 seconds. We'll just give that a go. So if I put 1:12 in there, and then save settings. Now hopefully I've done this correctly. Okay, so the neat thing about SociVids, or SociVids I should say, is the fact that you can embed this into your website, any website, with the iframe code here, or you can put it straight into Facebook. So if you don't have websites that you want to use for this this particular video method, then by all means use it in Facebook. I'm just going to do that now. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so I'm logged into Facebook now, so I'm just going to paste that code in there and see what happens. Okay, so you can see this gone straight onto my timeline there, and if I click here, let's just see how well this works. The idea, take a look at the Bing front page. Okay, so we're almost a minute in now, so hopefully the opt-in button's going to pop up on here. Okay, there you go. You can see that the opt-in details have popped straight into there. So if I just opt into my own list, okay, and then click sign up. And there you go. Okay, so opt in straight off of a video, and it also works with PayPal, JVZoo, redirects, anything you like. So hopefully that's been useful for you. But this is a great piece of software that actually works.